Janeth Onque, and I will interview to my friend Lisette. Lisette, how are you?
Fine then.
Lisette, please, could you introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Lisette Conde. I am 25 years old. I am environmental engineer. Now I study English.
Lisette, I have some questions about short that you do.
Okay.
Okay, Lisette, tell me, are you a clean person?
Yes, I am.
For example, do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I always wash the dishes in my house.
When do you do it?
In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening.
Lisette, do you make your bed every day?
Yes, I make my bed every day. Always. Before I go to eat.
Okay, tell me, do you do the laundry every day?
Sometimes I wash my clothes on Saturday.
Tell us, Lisette, do you cleanse the bathroom?
Sometimes. Only on Sunday.
And finally, Lisette, which chores do you hate?
I hate cook
Why?
because it's very difficult for me.
Okay, thanks, Lisette. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, I am here with my friend Adeline, and I am going to interview. Hi Adeline.
Hi, Priscila.
Do you have a big family or do you have a small family?
I have a small family. Yes, my mother, my father, my brother, I.
Do you have only one brother?
Yes, only one brother. His name is Carlos.
Okay, and you have been here solo or with other people?
For now, I live only in Onque. I live with.
Where do you study?
I am married in public management and social development in the University Nacional.
And your brother study in the university?
No, my brother studies in school in Simón Bolívar, in Monterrey.
In the school?
Yes.
Okay, thank you Adeline.
Thank you.
Hi, I am going to interview to my friend Milena. Hi Milena. What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Christmas. So, when is it?
In December 25th.
Yes. And why do you like it?
Christmas, I like it chocolate and panettone with my family.
So, really? Yes. So, and finally, what is the most popular holiday in Peru?
I think the most holiday popular in Peru is Christmas because the families together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, thank you very much, Marina. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Janeth Onque, and I will interview two persons of the Cultural Institute. Hello?
Hi.
How are you?
Bye.
Please, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Jose. I'm 16 years old and I study in cultural.
Okay, and you?
My name is Priscila. I am 15 years old and I study in the cultural center.
Okay, I have some questions about your daily routine. Yes? Okay. Tell us, Jose, What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Okay, and you say
I am at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. Okay. Josue, what do you do after that?
After that, I go to the bath and I take a shower.
And you,
I
Sadie?
go to the bathroom, take a shower, I wash my teeth.
Okay, you brush your teeth.
Yes.
Okay. Josue, what's your favorite food for breakfast?
It's milk with cereal.
Cereal, delicious. And you, Sadie?
My favorite food of breakfast is scrambled egg and yogurt.
Okay, that sounds very yum. Josue, how do you often take lunch?
I take lunch at 6 p.m.
6 p.m. And you, Sadie?
4 p.m.
Where?
in the house.
Josue, where?
In my house with my family.
Okay, great. Josue, what's your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time is in the afternoon.
What?
Because I visit the cities and I...
Did you like walk for the city?
Yes.
Okay. And Sadie, what's your favorite time of day?
The afternoon and the evening.
The afternoon.
In the evening.
Why?
Because in the afternoon I go to the cultural centers and in the evening I walk to the city with my crush.
With your boyfriend? Yes, your boyfriend. Okay, nice. Finally, Josue, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music, play football, play the computer, I read sometimes, and I work with she.
With your girlfriend. Okay, Sadie, what do you do in your free time?
Listen to music, do my homework, walk to the city and go to eating in Sabores sometimes or presto, salon with him.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi. We are here with our teacher Jeffrey, and I want ask some questions about personal information. Hi, teacher Jeffrey.
Hello, morning.
Teacher Jeffrey, what's your full name?
My full name is Jeffrey Julio Obando Rodriguez.
Okay. Teacher, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is to watch soccer, to watch basketball, but I play, for example, paddleball, fronton.
Okay. And teacher, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is Peruvian food, of course. I like, for example, lomo saltado, I like ceviche, and also I like rocoto relleno. So delicious, so spicy, but I like it.
Okay, teacher, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, wow, I have many favorite movies, but for example, one that I remember is one with Will Smith that is called Pursuit of Happiness, that he works with his son and he's looking for a job. It's a very nice movie. And also I was talking to the students about Denzel Washington. For example, he was the bone collector. He was a policeman that he was sick and he had to resolve a case. So it's very, it's a drama and also it's a lot of action.
My favorite movie is Scary Movie.
Scary movie, yeah, with, who is the actor? It's Jim Carrey.
It's hilarious and it's fun.
Of course, I remember The Mask, for example. It's a classic, Yeah, he's the main star and it's very, very funny.
Teacher, what's your favorite singer?
Favorite singer? I have some of them. For example, I like Brian Adams. I like Phil Collins. I like, for example, Tracy Chapman. But also I like Coldplay. I like Guns N' Roses. Different likes, you know, pop, rock, heavy. I like UB40. Okay, something like this.
Teacher, what's your favorite TV show?
Favorite TV show? Well, I used to watch, for example, Discovery Channel, but also sometimes I watch HBO. Okay, but talking about TV, I prefer something connected with food or connected with sports, something like that.
Teacher, what's your favorite soccer player?
My favorite soccer player maybe internationally. Maybe it could be, I don't know, what's this? Maybe Messi or maybe Cristiano Ronaldo nowadays, nowadays. But also I like, for example, Pelé, also Brazilian. Yes, something like that.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. That's it. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Janeth Onque. In this moment, I will interview a person in the cultural. Please, will you introduce yourself?
Thank you. My name is Jose Luis Silva. I am an English teacher in Rural, and I am also the coordinator. That's all.
Okay, thanks. First questions. Do you do the housework?
Not really.
No. Do you don't like to do the housework?
Not because of that, because I spend most of the time working, so I don't have many chances to do the housework.
Well, maybe sometimes you are any chores in your home.
Well, yes, I cooperate usually on the weekends. Yes.
Weekends.
Mhm.
Okay. Which chores do you hate to do?
I don't like sweeping. Sweeping and cleaning and dusting, I don't like that.
Okay. And which chores do you like to do?
I prefer washing the dishes, and sometimes cooking, taking the garbage out.
Okay, it's good. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi, I am here with a cultural student and I am going to talk about favorites. Hi, what's your name? Hi, my name is Milena. Your name is? Marilia. Okay, and tell me about yourself. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is all of cereal. I like more ceviche.
Ceviche.
Yes.
Okay, and do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, my favorite singer is Madonna. I like
Madonna. Okay, like, what's your favorite movie?
my favorite movie is Cara Cortada. It's actually it's very interesting and exciting.
Okay, what's your favorite kind of music?
Is rock, pop, all those this genre.
Okay, thank you, Maria.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Janeth Onque, and today I will interview to my friend Karen. Please, Karen, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Karen. I am 20 years old and I am from Onque. I am studying in the cultural
my roommate.
Okay, continues. What is your favorite personal item?
My favorite personal item is my laptop.
Okay, why?
Because my laptop is very important for my work. It has information of the university.
Okay, that's right. Have you ever received a special gift?
Yes, I received red rose of my boyfriend.
Oh, the love. Tell me, when and why did you receive it?
I received in my birthday.
Let's continue. What is the bigger gift that you received?
My laptop, it is important to make my tests.
Okay. What is the worst gift that you received?
In the worst gift, letters.
Okay, letters. Okay, thank you very much, Kari.
My pleasure, Janeth.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I am Janeth. In this moment, I will interview Miss Milena. Miss Milena, hi Janeth. Hi. What's your daily routine? I work in the mornings and in the afternoons, and then in the evenings I go home and I just try to relax a little bit. Okay, thanks. What kind of person are you? Please, one moment. Are you a couch potato? Are you a workaholic? Are you a party animal? Or are you a health nut? Okay, I do not consider any of them because I try to do the things in a very balanced way, so that's why I cannot say that I am one of them. But because of the amount of hours that I work, maybe I can consider a workaholic. But when I go back home, I just forget everything about work. So maybe I am kind of workaholic, but not a lot. Okay. Okay. Next question. What do you do on the weekend? On the weekend, I just try to relax a little bit with my son. I work on Saturdays in the morning, but the rest of the weekend, I just try to be with him. That's it. Thanks. I am going to interview to Miss Mayra. Hello, Miss Mayra. Miss Mayra, where are you from? I'm from Europe. Yes. What is your city like, Miss Mayra? My city is very clean, of course. There is not much traffic, and it's very quiet. Really? Not as quiet as in Bucharest. It's quiet. I love Bucharest. I love Bucharest. So, finally, Miss Mayra, which place are famous or in your city? In my city, La Glorieta, that is near down here, and in Barquito, and the Titanic, that is a bus station up there in the Pampa City. Oh, yes, Pampa City. Very, very big. Yes. Okay, Miss Mayra, thank you very much. Again, okay. And we are talking about food. Hi. What's your favorite food?
Chicken?
Chicken? Fried chicken or?
Both, roasted chicken.
Roasted chicken. Very delicious.
Mine fish.
Fish? Fried fish or?
Roasted.
Roasted fish? Okay.
breakfast we have bread with and tea. Then, yeah, we do breakfast together. No? So we do the same breakfast.
Do you eat dessert often?
Pardon? Dessert?
Dessert.
No, dessert no often. It's weekly one time or
One time.
yeah, in a week.
One time. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hi, I am going to interview to Abdul.
Hi.
So, Abdul, do you like the Italian food?
I haven't tried or taste that much Italian food, but I like pizza. I don't know if that is Italian, I guess. And lasagna. It's fine. But Peruvian food is better. I think.
Abdul, what's your favorite restaurant in Europe?
The truth is that I don't have a favorite restaurant. I just go wherever I want. I don't know. I like to try different restaurants, but my favorite one, I think, Pacocha Market, second floor. That food is good.
Okay, good. Abdul, finally, what are you doing to stay healthy?
I'm trying to eat or to change my diet to I don't know how to say it, a more nutritional one. I don't know. Trying to eat more veggies, more vegetables, and reduce meat. This meat causes cancer. Be aware of that. I don't know, that. Drink a lot of water, and I don't know.
Thanks, Abdul. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
See you.
What is the most popular holiday in Peru?
I think the most holiday popular in Peru is Christmas because the families together. No, ¿cómo digo? Las familias están juntas. La family together.
Hi, I am here with my friend Janeth. Silence, please.
Hello, my name is Janeth.
What kind of person are you? Please, one moment.
What gift have you received? Ah, no, este ya no, ¿no? Corremos otra vez. Olviden la Janeth. Hello, my name is Janeth Onque, and today I will tell you what is the worst gift that you received? Okay, letters.